हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। सो आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एक और नया चैप्टर, दैट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। टिल नाउ 11th के और 12th के टिल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सारे फॉर्मूलाज हो चुके हैं, तो जाके उसको भी इस लेक्चर के बाद रिवाइज कर लेना। टिल दैट टाइम प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन एंड डू कमेंट। Let us begin with probability distribution. What is probability distribution? In that there is a random experiment. Results are unpredictable. You can't predict the results of it. Outcome, possible results of an experiment or a trial it can. Sample space, set of all possible outcomes. And third, fourth, random variable, a real valued function defined over the sample space of a random experiment. So firstly, we are going to study discrete random variable. It has two types also. Second type is below. Let us begin with first. A discrete random variable can take only a finite number of distinct values. It can take finite. I can highlight finite number of distinct values over here. Now, example, it would be like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on over here. Now, probability mass function. A function P of x is said to be PAMF if and only if there are conditions. First, P of xi is greater than or equal to 0, and second is summation of I equals to 1 till n P of xi is equivalent to 1. ये दोनों condition satisfy हो जाती है, तो then it is probability mass function over here. So now हम लोग देखते हैं examples over here. We have much space. तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल देखेंगे हम लोग कि two coins are there over here. Two coins are tossed. So sample space is head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail over here. Now x number of head, x be the number of heads over here, number of heads. So x equals to 0, 1, 2. Now p of x is equals to 0. It means that tails is equals to 1/4 over here. Now p of x is equivalent to 1 equals to head tail head is equivalent to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. इसका ratios करो. P of x is equivalent to 2. That is head it is 1/4 over here. Now probability distribution is like, let us make a table x and p of x. यहाँ पे 0, 1 and 2. यहाँ पे होगा 1/4, यहाँ पे 1/2 और यहाँ पे 1/4 अगेन. ये हमारा इसका टेबल बन जाएगा. नाउ cumulative distribution function CDF. It means that f of x is equivalent to p of x less than or equal to x over here. Now let us take an example. x है, p of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 0.2, 0.15, 0.3, 0.1 and 0.25 over here. Now f of 0 is equals to p of x less than or equal to 0 is equals to p of x equals to 0. The table में दी है वैल्यू 0.2. अब जैसे कि f of 1 का निकालना है, p of x is less than or equal to 1. It means p of x equals to 0 plus p of x equals to 1. तो दोनों का ऐड करेंगे हम लोग. 0.2 plus 0.15 is equivalent to 0.35. So on till हम लोग को जितने numbers दिए, we can do till that number over here. Now formula is expected value का formula. Expected value is e of x is equals to mean, and it means that summation of x px over here. Variance is x, so it will be v of x is equals to e of x square minus ex the whole square over here. Now ex square is equivalent to summation of x square into p of x. Standard deviation is equals to root of variance of x. So variance of x निकालेंगे तो उसमें रूट लगा देंगे तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन मिल जाएगा. अब हमारी जो सेकेंड टाइप आती है वो है continuous random variable. If random variable x can assume any infinite uncountable set values, it is said to be continuous random variable. Simple logic. Probability density function PDF है ये. A function is said to be PDF if and only if conditions इसकी है. First is f of x is greater than or equal to 0. The second condition is minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equivalent to 1. ये हम उसकी कंडीशन. अब प्रोबेबिलिटी यूजिंग PDF मतलब प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन. सो फर्स्ट उसका होगा, लेट अस टेक अनदर कॉलम. So first will be p x is less than or equal to a equals to minus infinity a f of x dx over a. Second हो सकती है इस कंडीशन probability x is greater than or equal to a. So it will be a to plus infinity f of x dx over a. Third condition हो सकती है p a is less than or equal to x, x is less than or equal to b, or it can be p a is less than x and x is less than b, or it could be p a is less than or equal to x and x is less than b, or it could be p probability a is less than x and x is less than or equal to b. So it means that integration a to b f of fx dx over here. Now another is cumulative distribution function. Now let us know about this also. So इसमें होता है f of x is equivalent to p of x less than or equal to x. It means that minus infinity to x and f of x dx over here. Probability a is less than or equal to x, x is less than or equal to b. It means that f of b minus f of a over here. Now, another we have some formulas. So first, e of x is equivalent to minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx over here. Second, variance of x is equals to e of x square minus e x the whole square over here. E of x square is equivalent to minus infinity plus infinity x square into f of x dx over here. And third, standard deviation st is equals to root of variance of x. So by this we have completed another chapter, that is probability distribution. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, do comment. Thank you.